the powder you add into this cup and cover it. This is the jet nozzle. This is the cooling fan, the power cable, power switch, and trigger. And this position also have a cooling fan. And the back side is the LCD display. And this LCD display, you can see the working temperature here. You can see the working temperature. And the powder you add into this cup. And cover it. This is the indoor powder, not outdoor. We just testing. We're testing the outdoor powder. It's outdoor powder.